Hi everybody, welcome to this video. I just wanted to record a quick video on gastrinomas and this workup if there's a suspected gastrinoma. So this will be pretty straightforward and simple. I think that if you just go through this algorithm a few times prior to your test, then you should nail it and everything should go well. So the first thing is when there's a suspected gastrinoma, you're going to do an endoscopy probably, and that endoscopy is going to show multiple stomach ulcers and thickened gastric folds. So endoscopy is going to show multiple stomach ulcers, as well as thickened gastric folds. And then after doing that, what you want to do is you want to check the serum gastrin level with the patient off of proton pump inhibitor therapy for 1 week. And then there are 3 different ways that this can go. So it can either go to less than 110. So if they're less than 110, that means that there's no gastrinoma, so we can rule out gastrinoma in that case. The next one is going to be 110 to 1000, so 110 to 1000. And in that case, then we're going to do the secretin stimulation test. If it's negative, then we're going to be at no gastrinoma again. If it's positive, however, then we need to do further testing. So because there's a strong likelihood that there is a gastrinoma. The other way to go through this algorithm is if it's greater than 1000, and in that case you want to check the gastric pH off of proton pump inhibitor therapy for 1 week. So you'll check and see if the pH is greater than 4, then there's no gastrinoma, but if the pH is less than 4, so it's an acidic pH, then you want to do further testing to localize the gastrinoma. So again, just from the top, if there's a suspected gastrinoma, you'll probably find an endoscopy, so EGD, you'll see thickened gastric folds, as well as multiple stomach ulcers. And then after that, you want to check the serum gastrin with the patient off of PPI for 1 week. And then there's 3 different ways to go. So there's less than 110, greater than 1000, and then between 110 to 1000. Less than 110, you can rule out gastrinoma. Greater than 1000, you want to check the gastric pH off PPI therapy for 1 week. And then from 110 to 1000, you want to do the secretin stimulation test. And then if that's positive, then you want to do further testing to localize the gastrinoma. Again, if the pH is low, then you want to do further testing of gastrinoma. If the pH is high, then you can rule out gastrinoma. And then if the secretin stim test is negative, then you can also rule out gastrinoma. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that helps you in your studies. Take care.